Starting a new school year and maybe even a brand new school can be kind of scary, and that's okay. I'm Jeff, and you're awesome. Over the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna tell you why you have nothing to worry about. Let's go!
It's just Jeff, he's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa! Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff, here we go! Hey!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Is it morning yet? Is it pancake day? Is it Christmas? No. It's the first day of school. I should probably put pants on. Here we go. First things first, got the clothes, now socks. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This one smells like peanut butter and Shrek. Woo! Got him. Tube socks. Packing my backpack, here we go. What do I need? I gotta know. Crayons, check. Snacks, check. Comfy warm sweater in case I get cold at school. Checkity, check, check, check. Wait. Am I forgetting something that's super duper mega important? Do you know what I forgot? That's right. Shoes! I can't go wearing mom's slippers again. That was a weird Tuesday. We got them. You know what? I'm kind of excited. I'm also kind of nervous. What if I forget where the bathroom is? Or what if I don't make any friends? What if I sneeze so hard I launch my lunchbox into orbit? Being nervous is okay though. That just means you're doing something new. And new things can be awesome. What if I make a friend that likes dinosaurs as much as I do? Or a teacher that uses funny voices? What if I learn to write my name in sparkle markers? Sparkle markers. Okay, I've got my stuff, I got my smile, and I'm ready to try something new. Oh, maybe not completely ready. Okay, that's much better. So remember, whether you're riding on the bus, or you're walking with your mom, or you're teleporting in your new super shoes, that's not a thing yet, you're going to be great. Just be you. Be kind. And if you have to toot, don't blame it on Jeff. See you next time.
It's just Jeff.